Hello students, I made this video to help you with the procedure of attending Geetham classes online and exclusively for the first years. I hope you all might have received a similar message which shows your 12-digit application number and your Geetham email ID. First, let's get into the procedure, and this is a better structured way which makes the complete process easy. There are 4 steps. Step 1, access your Gmail account that is in the domain of geetham.in. Step 2, create Zoom account by using your Gmail ID. Step 3, log into my Geetham using your 12-digit registration number. Step 4, click on the class links to access your classes through my Geetham portal. First, let us get into the step 1, accessing your Gmail account. Just open Gmail login in your browser or else in your mobile. Add a new account if it is in mobile. Here Gmail login. Click on www.gmail.com. Use another account. Tap the Geetham mail ID, what it has been provided to you. Example abcdefg@geetham.in. Ensure that you are typing the whole Geetham mail ID. Please don't ignore @geetham.in. Then click on the next. Upon clicking on next, you are supposed to enter a password. The default password what it had been set to use Geetham@123. The G is in cap. I am copying it from here and just pasting it upon the place where it is required. Here it is, Geetham@123. Click on accept. You are supposed to create a new password and ensure that you are not forgetting this password, as this is access to your particular Zoom account too. Change the password. Upon changing the password, it will be redirecting you to the inbox of the Gmail. This inbox represents Geetham mail ID. We are done with the step 1. Now the step 2 of the procedure is create a Zoom account by using this Gmail account. By using geetham.in Gmail account, we are supposed to create a Zoom account. I will be going to the Zoom app which is installed in my system, and there I can click on sign in with Google. Once upon sign in with Google, I will be finding I can enter my mail, as I have used Achyut Singh's mail asingh4@geetham.in. Whatever mail you have received, you are supposed to enter that particular thing. And this password I had just set recently while I am activating my Google account. Just click on next. Thereupon click on the create account. This creates the Zoom account with Geetham ID. You can check this and you can click on open. It will be redirecting to the Zoom app. As I mentioned, it has already been installed in my system. If it is not installed, you can open it in the browser. It will be opening in the next tab itself. See, here I could find Achyut Singh has been logged with Geetham mail ID. We are done with step 1 and step 2. Now let us look into the step 3. Log into the My Geetham portal using your 12-digit registration number. The website for the My Geetham portal is login.geetham.edu. I will be entering that in this particular browser tab. Login.geetham.edu. Let me remove this suffix. Yeah. In this user ID, you are supposed to enter the 12-digit registration number and also the password. The default password what it had been set to is password@123, and all the password contains all small letters. User ID consists of 12-digit number. Let me take some random number over here. Wait, let me take 1 2 3 4 56789 012. You're supposed to enter the registration number what you received. Once upon entering, you can click on login over there. Upon clicking on login, the page redirects you to GLearn and student portal. You can click on GLearn. Upon clicking on the GLearn, you can view your GLearn landing page, your courses, pending assignments, my timetable. Going open further, it will be very useful for you. As of now, this has not been updated, and here you could find an option called online classes, and we couldn't find anything because no online classes has been scheduled. You can find a speaker icon over here, right? Let me open another account where you can find with the updated details. See, here you could find what are the courses which is being offered, the pending assessments. If there are any, then it will be showing. So going upon further, you will have advantage of all these online classes. Here you could find what are all the online classes scheduled for you. You can click on any of the tabs. Let me click on the 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. session on NSS created by K. Vijay Kumar. Upon clicking on this will be redirecting to the Zoom. See, now this directly connects you to the Zoom meeting. As now the meeting hasn't been started or else it has been ended, it's showing please wait for the host to start this meeting. If once the meeting starts, you could find the class and you can attend the classes from here. That's all. We are done with all the 4 steps. Thank you. Here you go.